Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and seeing this place for the first time, my name is Vlogtober. I hope you like what you see and join the family by clicking the subscribe button down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the continued support. I really appreciate you guys so much. Welcome to Vlogtober episode 3. We are at the bed garden at Monte Casino, just taking the kids out for a chill day. So we are taking you guys along. I hope you enjoy this day with us.
Mama, the ball is like a chicken.
Huh?
The ball is like a chicken place. Oh, the puzzle. Mama, what? No.
Tora.
Mama, look. 1, 2, 3.
See? Rithome kae? Eh? Rithome kae? A re thome sole ka lebaka la gore o tlo bona mezwinki. Look, what's that?
Chicken.
It's not a chicken. It's not a chicken. Yes. What is it? It's flying. Look at that. Hey.
Look underneath, if the platform, the bottom part is flat, and the short tail, it's a female. It is a little bit of a dent towards the back of the platform with a long pull the flanks back to the top of the mouth where it will basically lie, and it can even fall out. There is another set of fangs that will move forward. As you look at the snake, he's sticking his tongue out. It's quite rude, hey? Please don't reach the front.
Come this side. Oh, itlam aremo. Come apel, black swan.
Oh, that's one.
Eh, mapel. Today ki sidik ema lisede mapel. Adi swan ni dilo. Deja. Kanti ki tsirka kan lo chucha kon. Lakbo, kra ro bukot. Oh.
Give me the chicken. Mama.
Ah, you know this. Oh, dia phaphamala, dia ka godimo. A mapele le se boki. Eh? Baba, ndiyazo. They are coming. We are feeding the ducks. Ngakochela. Then throw the paper inside. Bon, take one. Take one like this. Jeez. Must throw into the water, no?
Yeah. See?
Baba, they are coming to eat. Baba, you see? They are eating.
Yeah.
Glass. Nyaka bona ngwana ga feeder the ducks. Take it and throw it into the water. Throw it into the water. It's okay. It's Say thank you. Say thank you. Yeah, let's go. Bonanan. Who fed it? These guys are feeding the ducks. You fed it? Bogi, they are finished, ne? Sharp. Let's go. My outfit of the day, Inyaka minwane. Yeah, guys, I am tired. This bird park the bird garden is very big. It's bigger than I thought it would be, so okay. I'm really tired, but it's a nice place to come with your kids, just for them to learn about different species of birds and reptiles, and you know. I'm tired. It's only past 2 now, but I'm exhausted.
Yeah, look at me. Look.
Wow. Kichana chawanya kwa duban.
Isami.
Ore dinonyan tama matele.
Where'd it go? I see it. Yeah, dinosaur.
Bo ufurangwan. Bana tshela ke tsere botsana tse.
Flamingo. Flamingo. Look at this one. Another one.
What's that? What's that? Oh.
Mama.
You're
flying.
green poison. Uchawa spider.
Yeah, Chawas. Yeah, Chawas spider.
Bakang. Can't you look at? I fish your nail. Go again. Justin. Hi, Bucky. On this side. Boyki, come and say hello vlog. You don't want to say hello vlog? Bagan doesn't want to say hello vlog, but thank you so much for watching. Yeah, until the next one, I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.